Hi guys, Aniq here.
Ali here.
Welcome to
K2M
K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we're going to be unboxing the Rode PSA1 boom arm.
Studio boom arm.
So this is a boom arm for microphones. For example, over here we have the Blue Yeti,
which is one of the best microphones on.
it's one of the best USB microphones.
And it's the first USB microphone.
Okay, so
instead of using the stock Blue Yeti stand,
you can just use this.
So we took the Rode PSA1 because it was a little bit bigger.
Yeah, so this has a 32.5-inch horizontal reach and a 33-inch vertical reach. So here you guys can see. It's in the color black. I don't think they sell a silver color. I think it's just like the lighting, how they did it. It looks silver on this. Here you guys can see.
It's like glossy black.
That's the front of the box, the back of the box, and it's, yeah. So let's take it out now.
I like the thing that it includes this, and it has Velcro straps because some don't even have anything. But it would have been better if there's like, if you can cover it up.
Yes. Also, this is actually pretty sturdy. It feels pretty good. So thank you guys for watching this video.
Please like this video.
Remember to subscribe to our channel.
And hit the bell icon.
Bye.
Bye.